I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be making chocolate clusters. So let's make chocolate clusters using Burial's dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate if you want, but my favorite is their Burial's dark chocolate. So for the ingredients, I have here Burial's dark chocolate. Chinap ko na. This is compound chocolate. I have Rice Krispies from Sweet House, and then slivered almonds. If you don't have this, you can use whole almonds, chop mo lang, or you can use walnuts, pecans, pistachio. But don't forget, you need to toast your nuts. Okay? Yan, toasted yan. And then 1 tablespoon of your unsalted butter. Let's start. So first, melt natin si chocolate. Either double boil mo siya or i-microwave mo. When you use microwave, don't forget, every 15 seconds, stop mo si microwave and then stir mo siya. Okay? Haluin mo. Kasi sometimes, nasusunog na yung ilalim, hindi pa na-melt yung taas. Don't forget, medium mo lang lagay ha sa microwave. Yan. After 15 seconds, minutes ba yung nasabi ko kanina? Seconds. Sorry, seconds. Okay? Tapos, balik mo. And then, turn it on again. So, after the chocolate, lagay natin si 1 tablespoon butter. Mamimelt na yan si butter eventually dahil medyo mainit pa si dark chocolate. Then, after the butter, sunod mo na yung other ingredients. The Rice Krispies and the almonds or the nuts. So, after ma-mix mo, lagay na natin sa cupcake liner. Okay? So, you can play with this. Pwede ka mag-add ng cereals if you want. And also, you can add some coffee para medyo may kick. And pwede. And then, chill mo to. Tapos, ready na siya ibenta. Actually, this is nice or good idea pang benta sa Christmas. Especially dun sa wala pang oven. So, after scooping sa cupcake liner, chill natin for around 5 minutes. Okay? Then, pwede na ito kainin, give sa kids, or ibenta sa Pasko. I'm sorry sa jeep na dumaan. Yan. Yan. After 5 minutes, done ang ating chocolate clusters. Okay? So, for Christmas, like may gusto kayong regaluhan, you can make this one ahead of time. Like December 1, gawa na kayo. Okay? So, pwede iba-ibang nuts, Rice Krispies, cereals. You can also change dark chocolate to milk chocolate para mas kids-friendly siya. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!